Hello and welcome to a brand new video here on the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how us men, real men in the woods, take a shit. The first thing you want to do is you want to take your log picker upper, your crane, and make a toilet, make a toilet chair. So that's step number one. So let's do that. And in the winter it can be a lot of snow, so you want to make sure there's enough space for your ass to sit down. Oh wait, I'm gonna put you closer so you can see better. There. Yeah. And what you want to do is you want to flip your log picker upper, grip in Swedish. That would be gripe in English, or maybe not. It's easier to do this when you're up in the crane, but this works. Okay, a little more. Perfect. Then you just adjust your hole depending on how much shit you feel like producing, or you feel like you have produced since the last time you took a dump. So all we gotta do now is we can go and sit, try it out. Perfect. So here's my toilet and toilet seat, and since we're real men, us truck drivers, logging truck drivers, timmerbilschaufförer in Swedish, we never use toilet paper. We use this stuff instead of toilet paper. This is what you make toilet paper out of, but we use the råvara, whatever that is, but you get the picture. So this is spruce needles, I think. Spruce, you know, something. And this right here is pine needles. They're a little longer. Yeah, those are really good too if you have a lot of hemorrhoids, because they drain them as well at the same time as you're wiping your butt. Yeah, so let's get to it, because I feel I need to go now. So do number two. So I'm just gonna put you right here on this thing. Okay, I got my toilet paper, my spruce and my pine needles. Yeah, let's get to it. gotta do is wipe. Perfect. And now it feels better. So what I usually do is I cover it so that no one has to find it. Some people don't like it. I don't blame them. So if you want to be if you want to do it real good, you can take some snow and lift up, maybe. So that's how you that's how we take a dump in the woods. Now when there's people out there who need their toilet paper, all you want to do is you want to make sure you don't have any brown material on the picker upper. Maybe could be some, I don't know if you can see, but I think there's some hanging up there, but it'll be okay. But it'll disappear. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.